This is Xreal Beam Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. In the beginning, I recommend that you go ahead and check for available system, software, and security updates, since the majority of those software updates are actually designed to deal with security vulnerabilities and perhaps privacy breaches and so on. Just once the developer knows that there is some security vulnerability, they typically fix that by enrolling those updates. And well, the way you do that on this smartphone is by launching your device's settings, then here enter the security and privacy category, and then go for the system and updates. And now check for system updates, see if there is any newer software version, make sure to download and install it right away. In my case, I'm not able to do so because my phone is simply not connected to internet. So let me quickly fix that. Yep, something is wrong with the Wi-Fi password, so let me quickly input it off camera. Yep, here we go. So here simply check for updates, and if there is a newer software version, make sure to install it. At the very same page we've been at, so here it is. You can also check for security updates separately, or you actually not could, but you should do that, and also Google Play System Update, but that's the same thing as System Update here. Now what you can also do is to check the list of device administrators on your phone and see if any sketchy application you do not remember adding to this list, well, is on it. So, and if it is true in your particular case, your course of action should be to deactivate this permission for the app you do not recall uplift into the administrator status, should I say, and uninstalling this app right away by entering the apps category of settings, just then unfolding the list of all installed applications. Here just look for the app in question, like let's say for example it is going to be YouTube Music, and then, well, I cannot uninstall it, that's to be expected. No, maybe Google Files, not possible as well. Yeah, probably just don't have any apps I can actually uninstall here, so oh, here it is, just uninstall the app. And then you can also resort to using some third-party antivirus solutions, such as Avast, for example. But if you know any other app, or you prefer any other antivirus application, you can absolutely go for it. It does not necessarily have to be this one. So just get such app installed, check your system for security vulnerabilities or for viruses. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.